National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Village, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for areas on and near the Kankakee River. Hazard, 3-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Valparaiso, Lamont, Hebron, Wheatfield, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Ruth Lawn, Counts, Boone Grove, Bailey's Corner, Stoutsburg, Fair Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, and Malden. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Indiana.